Hi, Mikey here. So, as you know, I've been drawing for quite a while now, and I just realized that I don't have an OC or an original character for myself. Sure, I've made some, but I ended up scrapping them. As you can see, this, that, and many more. So, for today's video, I'm going to make an OC, not just any normal OC, but something sensational. Something amazing, something iconic, generational, or something. I want to make something recognizable and could easily captivate the eyes, even in different art style. So let's get to it. So when building an OC, you have to have these three things: clarity of silhouette, palette, and exaggeration. Silhouette. So silhouette is the shape or outline of a character or object when you fill it in with solid black. Take a look at these examples. So these are the silhouette of a famous Pokemon character. So I want to make anyone watching to recognize that it is my OC just by the silhouette. But how can I do that? That's right. I'm going to make a humanoid animal. I promise I'm not a furry. I took inspiration from Happy or Lily and Fairy Tale. But of course, I'm not a cat. So I want to make my Uzi a unique animal, or rather an unusual one. And I pick the quokka. Now that I have decided, it's time to draw. And here it is, the quokka. Now that I have a character, let's go to the palette. So basically, palette is a colors that you choose for a design. And for me, I choose this red and brown palette. Exaggeration. Now this is where the humanoid part came in. So exaggeration is pushing poses, expressions, or movement beyond real life to make it more clearer, funner, or more dramatic. Now let's get into it. And here is the finished product. And that's all. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.